Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So today in this video we'll talk about the One UI 8.5 update, the device list and the expected release date for the One UI 8.5 update. So if we talk about the One UI 8.5 update release, so the One UI 8.5 is officially released with the Galaxy S26 series, and now it is on the beta version for the older flagship models. Like the first beta version was released in the December 8, and now we have the latest beta 7 available. Also, there are some chances that we might get to see the beta 8 as well. If we talk about the device list, so the Galaxy S25 Complete and the Galaxy S24 Complete series is included in the device list. Also, the Galaxy S23 and the S22 and the S21 FE is also expected to get the One UI 8.5 update. In the Fold series, the Z4 and Flip 4 to Z7 is available for the One UI 8.5 update. And the good part is that the Galaxy A series and the M series and F series and some Tab series is also included in this One UI 8.5 update device list. And if you talk about the beta version, so beta version is currently available to some limited flagship models and in some limited countries. So all the other models will have to wait for the official release. If we talk about some of the features, so this is how the voice recorder app will look like in the One UI 8.5 update, and they will get to see some pill-like option in multiple apps this time around with the One UI 8.5 update. You will get to see a bill-like menu option in the Samsung Internet, and multiple other apps will get to see some similar thing. Also, the UI of the calculator app is changed a lot. As you guys can see, this is how the calculator app of One UI 8.5 update will look like. Not only the calculator, there are multiple other apps as well, and some security features and some new editing features with the Galaxy AI in the photo editing also available this time around with the One UI 8.5 update. So in short, if the One UI 8 update was boring, so the One UI 8.5 update will cover that all. If you talk about the release date, so you can expect to see the One UI 8.5 update by the end of March or in the month of April. First of all, it will be released for the Galaxy S25 series, then the S24 and S23, then other flagship models, and then the A series will get this update. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was some latest news regarding the One UI 8.5 update that you guys might be missing out. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with all new upcoming updates.